How to unblock someone on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Twitter. First let's go to Twitter and then let's find someone to block, uh, like this one. Click here and then click block, and if you want to unblock him just click here and then click this one, unblock, and then click here. And as you see, this account has been unblocked, and that's how unblock someone on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.